Hi, I'm Sam from Mower Magic, and today we're going to take a look at the Hayter Hawk range of lawnmowers. So before I talk about these machines in particular, I just want to talk about Hayter briefly. Now, a lot of people will have heard of Hayter, but just in case you haven't, they are the last UK manufacturer of lawnmowers, and they specialise in machines with a rear roller that gives you that classic stripe on your lawn. The Hawk models are a new generation of Hayter lawnmower that are powered entirely by battery. So no more cables, no more petrol, but still excellent performance. And they're packed with features that I'm just going to walk you through now. So we'll start up here on the handlebars where you've got ambidextrous controls that could be operated with either your left or your right hand. You've got soft grip handles here for operator comfort. You've got a quick fold handlebar here. So this is how you release it. Pull that up. And then you can either lock it like that, which means it's easy to empty the grass box, or pull it all the way over into its storage position. So down here you've got single point height of cut adjustment, and this can be done one-handed. Just press in the button and push the machine down or lift it up. You've got a nice ergonomic carry handle here if you ever do need to physically shift the machine from one area to another. This is your battery compartment, so that just opens up. Got a little safety key in there, so if you've got children or anyone who's going to tamper with the lawnmower that you don't want to, take that out and the machine won't run even if the battery's in there. So the grass box comes off the back easily like that. Got a grass box full indicator, so as there's airflow going through the grass box, it will pop up like that, and when your grass box is full, it'll be flat, so you don't have to keep taking the grass box off to check it. It's solid plastic, and it's actually got a nice little hook on the back that you can use to store it on the machine when it's upright. I'll just show you that now, and then we can take a look at underneath the machine as well. Position that grass box you can just hook on there. Now we can see what's going on underneath as well. So we've got wheels on proper roller bearings. You've got a grass comb here as well that pushes the grass down out of the way but doesn't crush it, so it leaves your lawn in a nice state, and that's the finish that Hayter really wants you to have. Underneath here we've got the deck. It's designed to be as aerodynamic as possible to assist in bagging, and it's also smooth. That's important because it assists collection of damp grass and minimises the amount that's going to be caught and stuck to the bottom of the deck. You've got a steel blade and then a fan here that also assists bagging. So the bagging performance of this machine is very, very good. We've got a plastic deck here, and it's double walled, so it's a very, very tough deck even though it's plastic. And the benefit of plastic as well is that it won't rot, it won't decay over time like a steel deck can do. And then we've got the rear roller, which Hayter probably argues the most important part of the machine. It's ribbed for additional traction, and it's bowed out into the centre to make it easier to turn without scalping your lawn, so you can leave your lawn in excellent condition while having your iconic stripe. So battery goes in the compartment here. As you can see on here, it's a 60-volt system and it works on an induction motor. So the machine actually has a boost sensor. So when it encounters heavier areas of grass growth, it will engage boost mode automatically, so there'll be more power drawn by the blade. There's also a boost button on the top here that you can manually activate that as well. So let's turn it on. Just press and hold the power button, and then pull the trigger. And I'll just activate boost mode as well. So that is the Hayter Hawk 36. There is another version available, the Hayter Hawk 43, which, as the name would suggest, is 43 centimetre cutting width, so obviously a little bit bigger. The larger version, the Hawk 43, is also available with self-propulsion. Throughout the month of May, Hayter are doing a special offer to celebrate the coronation of King Charles. They're doing a bundle with the Hayter 36, a 2.5 amp hour battery, and the charger for $569. That's £110 off of the RRP of $679. So, what better way to celebrate King Charles being coronated than buying yourself a brand new mower with the royal seal of approval?